Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and I get asked quite a lot whenever I have a disc detainer picking video, what would be a good disc detainer lock to start picking with? And I think there's a good argument to be made that you should start picking disc detainer locks, the cheap Chinese ones, but often they have plastic cores and actually can be quite easily damaged. Some are actually quite good quality, some aren't. They're a little inconsistent. So in terms of a branded lock, this Gerda Secure, I think this is a KSWT 60mm lock. I think it's a good place to start. The Gerda also do the HSS, which is an intermediate pick and is also very good. So I think this is made in Poland. I could be wrong, but either way, it seems to be a consistent lock to pick. It feels quite good. And like I said, it's a brand that you can go out and search for, which I think is an advantage when you're starting to learn to pick. So I've got a Sparrow's disc detainer pick here with a 3D printed bushing, which you don't need at all, just sort of, it does help a little bit in terms of making sure that you stay flat against the lock body and central against all the discs. I'll pop this pick tip down like that to the bottom, turn my pick until it binds, and then not binds, but binds against that first disc, and then I'm just going to check that I've got everything nice and I can move my pick tip in and out between the discs. So then I need to find that first disc, which is, hold on, got to find it. It will be there. It's always hard to find that first one. There we go, and it's already binding, so we'll just give it a good turn. It does want to move out of its position, but we'll just loosen up on the tension, and nice click there. Turn back to the next disc, which is here. Give that a good turn. I'm not putting much tension on, but they're binding really nicely. And nice. Did you hear that click? That's what I'm saying, really good lock for feedback, especially for beginners. Next one, another really awesome click, and I'm not putting a lot of tension on either. Next one. Again, a slightly less of a click, but a good click. Next disc. A really nice click on that. Next disc, and I think actually, yeah, I can already feel that like I'm pretty much picked. So I was going to get all the way to the back because I know that that first disc I picked, disc 7 I think, is a 0 disc. So I can grab hold of that, if I can get on it without slipping off, and just gently turn back disc 1, which isn't a 0 disc. And there we go. Take the pick out and you should see, oh, sorry about that, we have the open. So I mean, just the fact that you don't need to put too much tension on this, that the feedback is really loud, you know, you hear those nice clicks, there's no false gates. I think this makes a really good beginner's disc detainer pick. It's consistent, good feedback. It's a brand that you can go out and search for. I'm not a sponsor, by the way. Gerda are not a sponsor of this video. But yeah, just I think it's a good recommendation. Anyway, let me know if you've ever picked one of these or the HSS. What do you think is a good disc detainer to start on if it's not this one? I'm really interested to know in the comments. If you like this video, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing for more videos like this. I do high security locks and ones for beginners like this. I'll see you all next time.